Hello folks, Chef Kazi here, and today I'm going to show you one very easy and simple recipe for your house. Maybe you can treat your families, your children, your friends. Okay, that will be penne pasta, and that penne pasta I cannot call 100% Alfredo sauce, but I should say this is white sauce, very close to Alfredo sauce. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do. So here I got penne pasta 900 grams, and here one purple onions, one orange and one yellow pepper. This is the black pepper, cutting board, my wife knife, dry basil there, and half and half cream, 1 liter. Okay, and of course is salt, garlic. So this is my wife's kitchen, and I'm boiling water here for boiled pasta. So let's say 2 tablespoons of canola oil and 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt give you the flavor. And this is my white pot here. So that's it. That's it. So how you use your knife? Never hold knife like this or like this. Knife has to be here, here. You're controlling the knife. Knife is not, if you go like this, knife could be, so here. And when I'm cutting it, you see my guard? If I go like this, okay? Instead Alfredo sauce, let's call it Primavera sauce. Yes, perfect. Garlic. This is California garlic, okay? We crush it with the olive oil and I leave it inside the fridge. To me, the best taste you get from out of pasta, if it's fresh, Or if it's dry, then it's still, if you have a fresh basil. If it's not, you can use like me today, dry basil and fresh crusted garlic, buddy. That's all you need. You can use sea salt or any good salt, you know, not a table salt. And you can crack your whole black pepper. Okay, so let me put the heat down because pasta is not, water is not boiling yet. I see many times people cut pasta and they don't use the whole bag, so they tear it different way. I hate it, man. Let me show you how I cut my bag. All you need, one scissor. Look. So already I put the basil. Well, 35% cream can give you flavor, taste better, but I can make same flavor with this. So this is very short video, folks. My cousin invited us today and it's my day off. I feel lazy to make something because he already invited us for food. So a few kids will be there. So that's why I decided to make pasta. So folks, let me tell you the secret. This pasta will be served around 8:39 p.m. tonight. Now it's 3 o'clock. So this is the hot pasta, sauce is hot. If I add that hot pasta, even though I cook al dente, will be overcooked. So I'm going to bring the temperature down with chilling with some cold water. Okay. Then I add that pasta to the sauce. So this is the pasta. It's very al dente, okay? Okay, now this pasta gonna soak all the sauce here. Believe me, within 10 minutes all will be gone. So I'm not gonna cook. I'll warm up when I reach my cousin's house. Okay? And I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese then and chili flake. But for now, I just leave as is and I come back after 10-15 minutes and I'll show you this pasta. You'll see how much. Look. Okay? You'll see when I show you. You see, folks, almost dry out. Okay, so let's add some black pepper. White pepper and black pepper mix. You see, when you serve in the restaurant by order, there's a different story than my case here. I'm cooking 3 hours ahead. Not 3 hours actually. I start 3 o'clock, I finish 3 o'clock, serve at 9. 6 hours. So that's it, folks. outside somebody, the best chef, maybe the better chef than me, but one thing I have, that's my experience. Since 1985, I became a chef. Since today is 2025. So buddy, 15 and 25, 40 years I'm working as a chef, okay? So you should respect at least my experience, right? Anyway, friends, I need your support. Always I said that. And again, I'm saying that I need your support. Please support me by subscribing my channel. Hit the like button, press the bell button, share the video, and have a wonderful holiday time, wonderful day. Okay, I mean, have a wonderful evening. This almost dry out. So let's throw some Parmesan cheese. That's it. Shall I try? Folks, the best.